Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. A couple of days ago, Xiaomi held a little gathering in New York, showcasing some of the new tech and some of the things they're bringing in to not only the US market, but the global market. The main thing that caught our eyes was the Mi Mix 3, and specifically the global variant edition. This is TK, let's go ahead and check it out with this quick hands-on. The Mi Mix 3 was released in China not that long ago, and the global variant won't be that different. The only exception is that we're not going to have a 6GB RAM version or a 10GB RAM version. The 8GB model is pretty much what's going to be going into the global market, of course, with an English ROM. But overall, we're looking at a 6.39 1080p almost bezel-less panel in the front, and that's helped with that sliding mechanism that the Mi Mix 3 has. That's covering the 24 and 2 megapixel sensors behind the display that you actually slide down to expose and actually use it for selfies. And when you don't need it, you just slide it back up and everything goes back. The mechanism felt really good and pretty sturdy with us in the hand, and of course the backing on that is running dual 12 megapixel sensors with a nice ceramic construction in the back. Overall, the device looks and feels very nice. We're talking about the Snapdragon 845, 8 gigs of RAM, and of course global availability. So hopefully we'll be able to start seeing more information about when it's going to start selling in the global market, and of course be able to get it here and review it for you guys. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think about the Mi Mix 3? Are you looking forward to the international version, or have you already picked up the Chinese variant? Would love to hear from you guys in the comments below. Like and subscribe to this channel, and like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video.